Ever stared at your StashAway portfolio, wondering if it's still the right fit for your evolving financial goals? Maybe the market's changed, your risk tolerance has shifted, or you simply want to try a different strategy. You're not alone. The beauty of robo-advisors like StashAway is their adaptability, but navigating those changes can feel a bit daunting. So, the question is, how exactly do you tweak your StashAway portfolio to match your current needs? Let's dive in and demystify the process. First, let's understand why you might want to change your portfolio. StashAway, like many robo-advisors, builds portfolios based on your risk tolerance, investment horizon, and financial goals. But life happens. Your goals might change. Maybe you're saving for a down payment on a house instead of retirement, or perhaps you've realized you're more risk-averse than you initially thought. Market fluctuations can also prompt a reassessment. A sudden downturn might make you want to shift to a more conservative portfolio, or a booming market might encourage you to take on more risk. Now, let's get to the practical steps. The first thing you'll need to do is open the StashAway app or log into their website. Once you're in, navigate to the portfolio you want to adjust. This is crucial. You can't change all portfolios with the same method. StashAway offers different portfolio types, like general investing, income portfolio, and thematic portfolios. For general investing portfolios, you'll want to look for the Reoptimize or Change Risk Index option. This is where you can adjust your overall risk level. StashAway uses a risk index, which essentially represents the proportion of your portfolio allocated to different asset classes. A higher risk index means a larger allocation to equities, while a lower index means more bonds and other less volatile assets. When you select to change the risk index, StashAway will typically present you with a slider or a series of options. As you adjust the slider or select different options, you'll see how your portfolio allocation changes in real time. This is a fantastic visual aid that helps you understand the potential impact of your changes. Pay close attention to the projected returns and potential drawdowns associated with each risk level. If you're looking to change the underlying assets within your portfolio, things get a little different. For thematic portfolios like those focused on technology or healthcare, you might need to explore StashAway's simple or flexible portfolios. With simple, you can adjust the asset allocation yourself, giving you more granular control. Flexible portfolios allow you to choose specific themes to invest in. Remember, changing your portfolio isn't just about clicking buttons. It's about understanding the implications of your decisions. Take your time to review the projected performance and potential risks. StashAway provides detailed information about the asset classes and their historical performance, which can be invaluable in making informed choices. Before finalizing any changes, consider your investment horizon. If you're investing for the long term, you might be able to tolerate more risk. However, if you're nearing your goal, you might want to consider a more conservative approach. One important note: StashAway automatically rebalances your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. This means that even if you don't actively change your risk index, your portfolio will be adjusted periodically to stay in line with your chosen strategy. However, if your personal circumstances or market conditions significantly change, manual adjustments might be necessary. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. You can always revert to your previous portfolio if you're not happy with the changes. The key is to stay informed and make adjustments that align with your evolving financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.